Today is an unusual video. It's not your typical alley pick project. I love making cool stuff from junk, but I also love saving money. And one of the ways you can do that is by fixing something yourself instead of having to hire a contractor. Now, I want to show you one of these projects today that I think you're going to find interesting. It's a fairly easy and quick method for lifting and leveling a slab of concrete. A sidewalk that's in front of your house. Maybe it's become a tripping hazard, or if you're in a cold climate and you have to shovel, you'll whack the sidewalk every time it snows and it's driving you crazy. Well, I'm going to show you a way to fix that. Now, even if it's not your thing, I hope you'll stick around and watch the video because it's fascinating. So here's the sunken sidewalk. It's been this way for years. It's quite the tripping hazard. Skateboarders, bicyclists, and babies in strollers will thank us when we're done. We start by digging a hole towards the end of the sidewalk pad we want to lift, just enough to put our 8-inch C-clamp around it. We do this at both ends. Next, I'm wrapping a small chain around the C-clamp and connecting it together with a bolt and nut. You should have a small loop of chain at both ends through which we're going to pass a length of metal strut. Each end of the strut then will rest on a car jack. As you raise the car jacks, so goes the strut, which pulls up on the C-clamps, thereby lifting up the sidewalk. We quickly learned that the single strut started to bend, so we added 2 more for a total of 3. Keep pumping the jacks until the sidewalk is lifted. In our case, the slab was so low that it actually raised both slabs as we jacked it up. Here's what it looks like under the sidewalk. We raised the sidewalk up a little bit higher than it's normally gonna sit, so we can backfill under it with gravel and sand. We also found some 1-inch thick slabs of stone, which we added to the mix of gravel and sand. Warning: you don't want to go sticking your hands or arms underneath the slab to backfill at any time. Just use the shovel or other tools. In the event that the chains break, you don't want any body parts being crushed under the weight of the heavy sidewalk. Now with the backfill all in place, we begin to lower the slabs. Put the dirt back on the sides, and our work here is complete. Once you have all your materials on hand, this process goes very quickly. So it's been over a week when we've had lots of rain. It still looks great. I really don't expect any problems. Now, while I didn't make anything cool out of junk today, sometimes it's just as interesting fixing something in a cool way out of common stuff. Thanks for watching Alley Picked. Until next time, I'll meet you in the alley.